Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the daily cipher word, which is stable. Okay, stable. So the stable coins. Then as always we line up the letters S, T, A, B, L, E. Okay, and we find the corresponding Morse codes. So we start with S. S is here, so we shall tap 3 times. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, tap, tap, tap. Then T, we should get used, is a dash, so it's a dash for T. Then we look for A. A is here. Tap, long press. Tap, long press. Then we look for B. B is here. See, long press, tap, tap, tap. Okay, B is long press, tap, tap, tap 3 times. Then we look for L. L is here. Tap, long press, tap, tap. L is tap, long press, tap, tap. Then look for E, which is a tap here. Tap. Then let us get the phone and we enter this Morse code. As always, click in the middle where you see Daily Cipher till this button turns red. Then let us put in the Morse code. We said S, you tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. S. Then T, you long press. Then A, tap, long press. Then B, long press. Then tap 3 times. Then L, tap, long press, tap 2 times. Then E, you just tap once, and the word is stable. As simple as that. Lastly, click on take the price. Peace. I'll see you in the next video.